Here comes the tractor. It brings food to the animals.
Forage harvest.
This is big machine cuts green grasses. The grasses become animal food.
Yummy, yummy. Silage wagon.
Look at the wagon. It carries chopped grasses. Food is on the way.
Feed mixer wagon.
This machine mixes the food, hay, grain and grass together.
Mix. Feed truck.
The big truck brings lots of food. So much to eat.
Grain cart.
See the grain inside. Grain gives energy. Strong house.
Conveyor belt feeder.
Look, the food is moving. The belt carries food to cows.
Feed pusher vehicle.
The food comes closer. The cows can reach it. Nice and easy.
Feed delivery trailer.
This trailer helps carry food. Food goes to the animals.
Bale wagon.
The bale wagon carries hay. Big hay bales.
Bale loader.
The loader lifts the hay bale.
Hay wagon.
The hay wagon brings soft hay, dry and tasty.
Feed auger wagon.
Round and round it turns. The food comes out.
Self-propelled feed mixer.
This big mixer moves by itself. It mixes and drops food.
Automated feeding robot. The animals are eating their food and happy. Bye bye. See you next time.